Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be installing these carbon fiber in performance door seals on my G80 M3. All right, let's get it. All right, everyone, so this is a pretty simple install. I'm not going to bore you with too much talking. I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I actually ordered these parts straight from BMW. All right, so in the packaging you'll get this actual door seal, which is right here, what you guys are seeing right here. Looks very good, has the carbon fiber part here, and the rest of this is hard plastic. You also, inside the bag, get these little clips, and I'll show you exactly where they go when we get to the install part. So what you need to do first is take off this stock door seal right here. The stock one does say M3 competition, which I do like the M3 competition being here. So BMW, if you're listening, can you make one of these that says M3 competition in carbon fiber? That would be a win-win. But I'm gonna try these out. All right, so what you're gonna do first is get like a trim tool like you see right here, and you kind of just want to find a spot you can get underneath it, peel some of the rubber part back and get underneath it. Then once you get underneath it, you're just gonna go straight up and pop it straight up. So you'll hear it pop, as you guys did right there, and just go down, pop, go down a little more, pop, go down a little more, pop, and then it'll pop straight out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean underneath here. Now once this is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the back of this actual aftermarket door seal. So on the back of this door seal, you'll see there's little places where you can put those clips in. So we're gonna go to the baggie and then find those yellow clips, and then you'll plug them in right in there. So the end of the actual plug right here has like a little flat piece. You'll just slide that right into, get a better angle for you guys. So you just take that and push it right into this part right there, and then as you guys can see right there, it just slides right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do this one. So as you guys see right there in the center of your screen, I'm just taking the little yellow piece, sliding it and pushing it right in there, and it pushes right in. Very, very simple. So I'm gonna do that for the other two spots on this door seal. All right, now that the 4 yellow tabs are in, turn this right side up, and then we're just gonna line it up, and then just kind of start on one side, push down, third, fourth one pushes down, and now you're good to go. All right, guys, so those door seals are in. I appreciate y'all watching. Please let me know down below what you think about it, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.